Foshan Longxin Laser Technology Company Limited, established in 2013, is specialized in solutions for tube and pipe industries. For over 7 years, we focus on design, produce, sell and service tube cutting and tube processing machines, including fiber laser cutting machine and circular sawing machine, bending machine, chamfering machine. We have obtained high-tech enterprise certification and CE certificates. Our machines are widely used in different industries including auto parts, furniture, kitchenware, hospital beds, fitness equipment. We commit to providing overall solutions for intelligent manufacturing equipment for global users and dedicate to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We are located in Foshan City with convenient transportation access. Our products are selling well in China and exported to more than 50 countries and regions, including Germany, UK, Russia, US, Turkey, Thailand, India. We have fruitful experience in all kinds of metal tubes and knows the cutting demands from different industries. We can offer the professional tube cutting solution to help you cut tubes in a better result. We welcome OEM and ODM orders, whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application. You can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. With us, you can be rest assured on the cutting.